I thought the clock had turned back to April.
I
this morning.
know, even though it's the first full day of summer.
Right,
Yeah.
it was really
Not
quite
what we're
nice out
used
there.
to.
Absolutely. I hope folks took advantage of it and got some work in the morning hours. Still warmed up in the low 90s, but not too bad if you consider what happened. I had a chance to talk to the Venice Men's Club today, and they were all very happy about it. They wish they were out enjoying the golf, though.
That, yeah.
Too, but I learned a lot about the hurricanes and preparations for that. And last night, a lot of folks were up taking a picture of this one of the Strawberry Moon by the famed photographer Cliff Rolls here along the Sun Coast. This was taken just after midnight of the full moon. The reason why they call it the Strawberry Moon, it's referred to that because this is typically time of harvest for strawberries. And again, a full moon with the arrival of summer solstice won't happen again until 2094. A long time from now, so it doesn't happen very often. And this one, again, was taken just after midnight, and then he stayed up. I'll tell you, unless he took a little nap. I think he took a nap and came back up at 6:02 before it was setting just after 7:30 and snapped another photo. Did move, an appearance of moving. And Cliff Rolls getting that great shot of the full moon that we see right there. Thanks a lot, CR. Here's what's happening right now. Fanways, a webcam showing clear skies for the most part, and these are fair weather cumulus clouds not containing any rainfall. There's not enough moisture out there to squeeze any rain out. Really, if you see anything, a sprinkle here and there, that would be about it. And as far as the Titan radar picture goes, typically this is lit up with storms, lots of lightning around, but not today. Different story. And that's a result of some extremely dry air that has moved in with that front that moved through on Sunday. Right now, no rain to speak of, really all the rain down to our south, and that's really not much. We're going to slowly see some of that moisture work its way back in our direction beginning tomorrow afternoon, but this is what's so nice. We've been talking about this for the last 2 days. It'll be like that again tomorrow morning. Should be really nice, although this number is starting to come up, the dew point, which gives you that humidity, is starting to show signs of increasing somewhat. But once those winds switch back to the east and northeast later on tonight, that dew point will still stay fairly low. 70 was the low this morning, 4 degrees below the average of the record. Look at that, 1967 dropped to 62 degrees. 92 was the high. That's slightly above the average of 89 degrees. No rainfall report. It's been relatively dry, and ever since Colin, we had a few showers after that, but for the most part, relatively dry at the airport. 84 degrees in Jacksonville now, 83 in Orlando. It's 81 now in Miami and 85 in Key West. And around town, temperatures right on the water in the mid-80s there, but 91 in Northport, 90 Mayaca City, 87 degrees in Sebring and Lake Placid. You're now at 86 degrees. Lows tonight will be a few degrees warmer than last night, but still quite comfortable to start the morning off. Lows generally right around average, low 70s to mid 70s right on the water. Inland areas could get to 69 degrees, but for the most part right around 70 in Sebring. And the RPM forecast does indicate 1 or 2 lone showers tonight, but that's highly suspicious. There's just too dry of air around in place. And tomorrow, showers and storms. We'll start to see some of that. Not a lot of widespread rain, but there'll be a few storms around. I think a much better chance comes Thursday as this moisture moves back in and we get a little convergence set up. So our rain chances will be increasing somewhat, especially east of I-75 on Thursday. Well, yesterday, it was a one-day storm. We had Danielle. It developed or was classified as a tropical storm just before noon, and then it made landfall just after 7 o'clock, and then it quickly faded away. This is an upper level low spinning right here. Boy, a lot of deep convection down south. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Really no concerns. And the excessive heat warning continues. This is going to be a big news story, obviously, coming up here in just a little bit, and dangerous heat conditions throughout this region. We're talking 115, 120 degrees on Wednesday. Low tide upcoming, 9:29 for Sarasota Bay, sunset at 8:28. And the boating forecast looks good for the next couple of days. We'll have a light chop in the bays and inland waters, seas running 2 feet or less. And it looks as though we'll see that continuing through Saturday. Pleasant, mostly fair, seasonal, low temperatures, low 70s, and northeast winds 5 to 10. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. Now the chance for a few scattered afternoon storms, especially south. Humidity slowly increasing, still a nice day. And then the extended forecast, we start to get back to more summer conditions after this little nice start to our 2016 summer.